Hi kids, today we are going to learn multiplication. Multiplication means adding equal groups together. Look, 2 groups of apples. That makes 4 apples. Instead of adding, we can multiply. 2 groups of 2 equals 4. So we write 2 times 2 equals 4. Let's try another one. 3 groups of 2 balloons. That makes 6 balloons. 3 times 2 equals 6. 4 groups of 2 stars. That makes 8 stars. 4 times 2 equals 8. Now let's learn multiplication using a number line. A number line helps us jump forward. Let's try. 3 jumps of 4. Start at 0. Jump 1, 4. Jump 2, 8. Jump 3, 12. So, 3 times 4 equals 12. Great job! Let's try one more. 4 jumps of 5. Start at 0. Jump 1, 5. Jump 2, 10. Jump 3, 15. Jump 4, 20. So, 4 times 5 equals 20. Fantastic! Now, 2 jumps of 8. Start at 0. Jump 1, 8. Jump 2, 16. So, 2 times 8 equals 16. Awesome! Now your turn. Look carefully. How many in total?
3 times 3 equals 9.
Great job! 3 times 3 equals 9. Wow, you did amazing! Now you know multiplication. Keep learning with Amazesphere Kids.